Morning all. Okay, let's have one or two 5-minute games on the ICC auto pairing 2354 to kick things off. So stamilecyrus7. Yep, he's moved. Okay. What's his status? Oh, Miley Cyrus. I have a bad feeling I've lost him horribly before. But anyway. His bullet is 5091. Great. It's 3 minutes 18:22, but he happens to be 2354 on the 5-minute auto pairing. Oh no. What does that mean? Try not to lose a pawn, another pawn. I'm going to lose another pawn, aren't I? To knight e5. There's no queen a4, we can play knight c6. Is there a queen a4? No, he's avoided that anyway. Okay. Try and hold on to e5 again. Right. So far so good. As far as e5, it's not dropped yet. So maybe h4, h5. Still got that nice pawn, so try and get an h5 anyway. Lose that bishop. Although knight d3, hg, and try and use this bishop for a moment. I'm going to force g6. So let's see, what about knight d6? Is that any good? Or knight f6, queen d2, knight f6? Queen d2, knight f6 might be good. Because then takes, I'll be attacking the queen. Queen moves, then queen h6. That still work here. How does he get onto a dark square? If he just moves his king, maybe bishop b1. Bishop e1 to play a3 and queen d3, or just bishop e4 maybe. Is bishop e4 any better? He's always got d3, that's the problem. d3's. So a big thing here. When he can play a3, he's going to play for d3 and then knight c2. It's a real pain. d3 and knight c2. What do I do about d3 and knight c2? Okay, rook c2, knight c2. Okay. Bishop d3 might be good. Might have been good. Then queen e2 to e4 to h7. Bishop d3, block the pawn. So I can then play Queen e2 without interruption. Queen e4, Queen h7. Interesting. Okay. It's giving me a bit of play here. I get this f7 pawn, or just h6, h7. That looks pretty juicy. Big threat, h7. 2 pawns over there. Ah, mind you. Yes, it's got that. What have I done? Is there rook e5 coming up, or f4? Ah, for rook e5. Bishop e6 or rook e7. What about bishop g4 to h5? Quite impressive pawns. Okay, so bishop h5 is a big threat. Surely, only got 12 seconds. So his time management's not particularly good. So bishop h5 is actually what was that? Staves off bishop h5, so I'm taking that. He forfeits on time. Wow. I did steamroll him on the clock. I apologise for that, but when I see someone who's 2-3-5-4, that's higher than I've ever been on the ITC auto pairing, and their 3-minute rating is 1822 over more than 47 games. We're talking quite a lot of games. 1822, and a bullet rating of 1889. I don't know. I just find it incredible. And this is an incredibly slow player. I mean, he was in this game an incredibly slow player. But anyway, I seem to have a bind on e5, which was sustained. Yeah, and these pawns are quite sort of dangerous here. Although I didn't really mean to lose the queen like that. Doesn't matter here. There's a big threat, bishop h5. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.